Hello students, welcome to this lecture on transpose of a matrix. In previous lectures we have studied matrices, its addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication and product of a matrix. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss a very important topic from matrices chapter, that is transpose of matrix and its example. So first of all we will know what is mean by transpose of a matrix. Let's see that I have written here, interchange of rows into columns is called transpose of a matrix. The transpose of a matrix is nothing but क्या होना है, rows will become column or we can say columns are changed into row. This is nothing but the interchange of rows into columns. For example, if I write one example, A is equals to 1, 2, minus 5, 6, 0, 1. Now we know that A, this is matrix. Here this is row number 1, R1, R2 and R3. Now what is our definition? Interchange of rows into columns. So we denote transpose by this symbol A transpose, or we can write it as A dash. So this is the notation for transpose of a matrix. Now we are going to take transpose of this A. So what happens? First row becomes first column. So this first row becomes first column. Second row minus 5, 6, it becomes second column, and row 3 it becomes column number 3. So 0. So this matrix was of order 3 by 2 and its transpose will be of order 2 by 3. So in this way we can take transpose of a matrix. This is the notation for A dash or A transpose. It is read as it is A to the power t, means it is the transpose of a matrix, given matrix A. So I hope you understand this. Write down. Okay. Then based on this transpose of a matrix, we will define orthogonal matrix. Okay. So orthogonal matrix. Now what is mean by orthogonal matrix? The matrix is said to be orthogonal if it satisfies this condition A into A transpose. A into A transpose is equals to I, where I is which type of matrix? It is a unit matrix. If given matrix satisfies this condition A into A transpose is equals to I, then this matrix is called as transpose, that is orthogonal matrix. Okay, so what happens here? A is multiplied by its transpose, then our answer should be I, then it is a orthogonal matrix. We will take one example. So first of all, we will discuss some of the example on transpose of a matrix and orthogonal matrix. So first of all, I will take example on orthogonal matrix. Write down the question here. I will write, show that A is equals to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha is orthogonal matrix. So this matrix is given to us, A matrix is given to us, and what is asked for us is orthogonal matrix. A is a orthogonal matrix that we have to prove here. So first of all, we know the condition here. Condition is A into A transpose is equals to I. Okay, this is and the second row becomes second column, so minus sin alpha cos alpha. So this is our A transpose. Now we will calculate A into A transpose is equals to. Now first of all, here A is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into transpose matrix. This is the cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we know matrix multiplication here. Once again we will discuss here. This is the first row. First row will be multiplied to first column. In that, first element to first, second to second. So it is equals to cos alpha into cos alpha. It becomes cos square alpha. Okay. Sin alpha into sin alpha. It becomes sin square alpha. Next. Now first row, but which column? Second column. Cos alpha into minus sin alpha. Cos alpha into minus sin alpha plus, now first row, and this is multiplication here. Sin alpha into cos alpha. फर्स्ट रो से हमने फर्स्ट कॉलम को मल्टीप्लाई किया, उसके बाद सेकंड कॉलम को मल्टीप्लाई किया. देन here what happens, second row will be multiplied to this first column, sin minus sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha, and lastly second column to second row to second column. So sin alpha into sin alpha, but with minus sign it becomes actually sin square alpha. Minus minus it becomes plus here. And then here cos alpha into cos alpha, it becomes cos square alpha. Now this is done for us, but we know the fundamental identity of trigonometry is, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta, its value is 1. This is the fundamental identity of trigonometry. So this becomes 1, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, इसकी value 1 हो जाएगी, and this also becomes 1. And remaining terms are sin alpha into cos alpha, and this is having minus n. These are similar terms but having minus n. So it becomes 0, and this also becomes 0. So our answer would be 1, 0, 0, 1. And this is nothing but which type of matrix? Identity matrix. So we have shown that given matrix is which type of matrix? Orthogonal matrix. Note this. We will solve this question. First question here is A is equal to this matrix 2 by 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, and B is given to us, and we are asked to find out AB transpose. So first of all, we have to take multiplication of A and B. So we will start with the multiplication here. So AB is equals to multiplication, product of matrix we will take. A is 1, 2, 5, 3, and B here 2, 6, minus 3. Now A and B is I have written here. Now we will multiply this matrix to second matrix. In that, first row will be multiplied to first column. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. Okay. First row से first column को multiply किया. उसके बाद first row but which column? Second column. So 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. Now again, second row, first column, 5 into 2, 10, 3 into minus 3, 9, minus 9. Then second row, second column, so 5 into 6, 30, 3 into 4 is 12. So it is equals to 8, 14, 1, 42. So this is the value of AB here, but we have to find out AB transpose. So AB transpose will be equals to, now this first row becomes first column, so I will write in this way, and second row becomes second column, so 140, and this is AB transpose. Now second question we will solve. Actually, this is a question here. Now, A is given to us, B is given to us, and we have to find out, or we have to verify that A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. So, we will start with this LHS now. In LHS, what is given to us? A plus B transpose. We have to find out. So, first, what we will do here? First, find A plus B. Okay, A plus B is, I will write here A 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 5, 0, plus B matrix is minus 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 0. Okay, now add them, it becomes 2 minus 1, 1, 3 plus 2, 5, minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Now second row, 4 plus 1, 5, 8 and 0. This is our A plus B. But we have to find out A plus B transpose. So A plus B, its transpose is equals to 1, 5, 3, 5, 8, 0. What happened here? First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Now give it equation number 1. Now I will rub this part. Now we will come to RHS. So in RHS we have to find out A transpose plus B transpose. So RHS is A transpose plus B transpose is equals to. Now we will directly take its transpose. First A transpose is 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 5, 0, plus B matrix transpose is minus 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 0. Add them. So add अगर करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Give it equation number 2. This is LHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. And therefore, we have verified that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So this is proved. Now in this question, once again A and B are given to us, and we have to verify A into B transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. So let's solve this question here. First of all, we will solve this part A into B. So AB is equals to 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1 into B matrix. I will write here 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 2, 4, 7. Now matrix multiplication, we will take first row is multiplied to first column and corresponding elements will be multiplied. So 1 into 1, it gives you 1. Then 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Then second column, first row, second column, 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into 4 is 2. First row, third column, 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 5, 10. And 1 into 7 is 7. Now this is done for first row. Then second row will be multiplied to again first column. 0 into 1 0, 2 into 1 2, 3 into 2 is 6. Second row, second column, 0 into 2 0, plus 2 into 1 is 2, then 3 into 4 is 12. Then second row, third column, 0 into 3 is 0, plus 2 into 5 is 10, 3 into 7 is 21. Then third row, first column, 0 into 0 0, again 0 into 2. Then for third row, second column, 0 0 4. Third row, third column, 0 0 plus 7. Now simplify this, we will get 5. This is 4 plus 4 8. This is 20. Here 8, 14, 31, 2, 4, 7. This is our A into B. Then we will calculate here AB dash. AB dash will be equals to nothing but rows are changed into column. So first row it becomes 5, 8, 20, first column. Then 8, 14, 31, and then 2, 4, 7. This is our AB dash. Then we will come to this second part, RHS. So in RHS we have to find out B dash into A dash. So first of all what we will do? We will find out B dash. B dash is equals to 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, then 2, 4, 7. And A dash is equals to, A dash is first matrix 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1. So we have done up to this B dash and A dash. Here we will calculate B dash into A dash. So B dash, I will write its value is this. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 7. A dash 1, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Now let's do the multiplication here. 1 into 1, 1, plus 2, plus 2. First row, first column. Now first row, second column. 1 into 0, 0. This is 2 and this is 3. Sorry, 2 into 3 is 6. Then first row but third column. So it becomes 0, then 0 into 1 is 2. So 0 plus 0 plus 2. In this way, first row, third column, तीनों column को हमने multiply कर दिया. इसके बाद second row will be multiplied to first column. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 1 is 2, and 4 into 1 into 4 is 4. Second row, second column, 0, then 2, 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. Then second row, third column, this becomes 0 plus 0 plus 4. Next, third row, first column, again do that, 3 plus 10 plus 1. Okay, sorry, 7 and 1 is 7. Then third row, second column, it is 0 plus 10 plus 21. Then third row, third column, it becomes 0 plus 0 plus 7. If we simplify this matrix, what we get here? Here, this is 5, then 8. It is 8, 14, then 4. 1, 7. And if you observe here, if I give this as 1 and this as 2, from 1 and 2 we can say these are equal, so we have proved AB dash is equals to B dash into A dash. Take a note, write down in your notebook. We'll solve this question. First of all, once again we will start with the LHS here. We will find out AB, multiplication of these matrices. AB will be equals to 2 minus 3, 1, 5 and B matrix is 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. First row, first column, 2 into 3 is 6, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. First row, second column, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, this is 0. Then first row, third column, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Then second row, first column, 1 into 3 is 3, 5 into 1 is 5. This is minus 1, this is 0. Second row, third column, 2 plus 5. It is equals to 3 minus 2, 1, then 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, so this is A, B. From that we can easily calculate AB dash will be equals to 3 minus 2, 1, 8 minus 1, 7. Interchange of rows into columns. Then now we will calculate here first of all B dash. Now B dash is equals to 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. Then A dash. Our A matrix is this. Its transpose will be A dash is equals to 2 minus 3, then 1, 5. B dash and A dash. So we have to take this multiplication. B dash into A dash is equals to. Write down B dash first of all, 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. A dash is 2 minus 3, 1, 5. So now first row will be multiplied to first column. So it becomes 3 into 2 is 6, 1 into 3 minus 3. Then first row, second column, 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 5, 5. Second row, first column, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 0, minus, now second row but second column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 and plus 0 into 5 is 0. Then third row, first column, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 5, 5. So it is equals to. Now simplify all this, it becomes 3, 8, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 7. Give it equation number 1 and equation number 2. From 1 and 2, these are equal matrices. Here you can observe. So we have proved AB dash is equals to B dash into A dash. These are two questions, first question and second question. In that questions also A and B are given to you and you have to verify AB transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. So in similar way you can solve this question if you you have understood today's topic. You solve these questions at home. Okay. Now we will come to the end of this lecture. In that lecture we have studied transpose of a matrix in and its example. Now in further lecture, in next lecture we are going to study a singular and non-singular matrix and its example. So bye for now. Keep watching our video and stay tuned for this channel. Like, share and subscribe with the channel. Thank you. Well.